Hello everyone, this is Vedant Sethia, a technical marketing engineer here at Infoblox. In this video, we will talk about the latest features of Infoblox DNS traffic control released with NIOS version 8.6. With NIOS 8.6, a new option called Full Health Communication is added to Consolidated Monitor Health settings, which will enable sharing health check results across all the grid members serving a particular LBDN. With this option disabled, under the Consolidated Monitor settings, health checks are performed by the selected DTC grid members and the consolidated results are shared across only the non-selected DTC grid members. This sometimes results in a failed DNS response if an unhealthy member is queried from the selected list. With this option enabled, health checks will be performed by each DTC grid member and the consolidated result will be shared across all the DTC grid members, that is, the selected and the non-selected ones. This results in a valid DNS response from all the grid members serving the LBDN. Let us now look at a quick demo of this feature. When we take a look at health settings of the pool, we have selected Health Monitor as ICMP. In the Edit section of Consolidated Monitor Health Settings, we can see a new option added by the name Full Health Communication. Here, Member 1 and Member 2 are present in the selected list and the master belongs to the non-selected list with any member condition selected, which means that as long as one of the member reports it as healthy, the server is considered healthy. Without enabling the full health communication option, the consolidated results of the members from the selected list, that is member 1 and member 2, are shared with the members from the non-selected list, that is the grid master. And upon making a dig request in all the members, member 1, which is an unhealthy member from the selected list, will fail to provide a valid DNS response. But when we enable the full health communication option and make dig requests against all the members, we will receive a valid DNS response from all the members, that is, from the selected and the non-selected list, because the health status is shared across all the grid members. This configuration also updates the status of DTC components to green. With NIOS 8.6, a new load balancing method is introduced by the name source IP hash. With this load balancing method, a particular source IP or a client machine will be mapped to a next available DTC server and will be served by the same DTC server in the future as long as it is up and running. In case the server goes down, the next available server will be allocated to the source, and when the previous server returns to a healthy state, the old configuration will be restored. Let us look at a quick demo of this feature. Here we have a pool and LBDN configured with the source IP hash load balancing method. Now let us quickly test this. With a particular query source, we will always receive responses from the same DTC server until the server is up and running. With NIOS 8.6 comes the ability to drop all LBDN queries when nameddaemon is waiting to receive a full health status update from healthdaemon. Before enabling this option, when a full health update is not received, LBDN queries could be served by offline servers, which may result in a service outage. When this option is enabled, Grid will drop all the LBDN queries when a full health update is in progress. This option is available both at the grid and the member level. Let's have a look at how we can use this option. To enable this option, go to the Grid DNS properties and enable it in the traffic control section as shown. This setting can be applied at the member level as well. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for more such updates.